Hello, welcome back. Here is a crochet, crinkle crochet. I love this style. I'm so sorry. I thought I was recording this part, but I wasn't. So I did individual braids around the perimeter, as you can see, to connect. It is called the illusion method, and I noticed I did the zigzag, and this is the hair we use, the KIMA. It's KIMA braids. I believe we use about 5 to 6 packs. I can't remember. I think it's about 5 to 6 packs of the hair. So I did the zigzag for the cornrows going back, so it won't have like straight lines. Just not to have that straight line, but the front, we did the individual braids and connected them to the big cornrows going back, so it gives it, like you did the individual, it gives it that illusion of the look that you did the individual, locks, but it's actually crochet. So what I'm doing is I'm filling out the perimeters first. So the client does not want a lot of hair. You don't want that strain to your hair. That's the essence of a protective style. You want to protect your hair, but at the same time you don't want to strain it. You don't want to put a lot of weight on it. So you're just gonna go around the head and scantily put the locks around. Then if needed, then you fill it up. So what I'm doing right now is just going around, sparsely putting the locks everywhere I could put it. Majorly the perimeter, to make sure that is covered. So as you can see, I'm going to the front now. So while you're here, don't forget to subscribe. Click that button. Every week we drop it like it's hot. So if you notice, my crochet pin go from the top to the bottom, and for the individual braids you go through the roots, right? For the individual braid, you pass the pin through the roots, like deep down the braid, not on top of the braid. I hope you understand what I'm saying. And you go through the box of each individual to give it that illusion. So I'm going down through the roots and hook and tighten. Basically, that's all you're doing there. And I'm lifting it up so you can see it. So you kind of give it that look that you did individually. So filling up the front, the perimeter, as you can see. And yeah, just keep watching. That's all I'm doing. And now I'm filling up the back, the center of it. So you want to fill out your perimeter first, and then you fill it in, and you check for any place that looks sparse, and then you fill it in more. Basically, that's all you gotta do. And on that note, I know you can see the products in front of her. That's the Gloriously Crowned shampoo and conditioner. You could go on the website gloriouslycrowned.com to get yours. Go ahead and click the link. It's in the description section for the products. Support Black business, support our business, and get the right shampoo for your hair. So we have the Tingle, which is the clarifying, and we have the Citrus, which is the moisturizing, and we have a leave-in conditioner as well for your hair. Okay, so just keep watching the crochet, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you can get a notification every time we post. And here I'm just checking, is there any place that looks sparse? Does it look empty? Filling it in, as you can see. Yep, just filling it in to make sure everything looks perfect and beautiful. Everything looks good. I'm checking it. You lift it up because when the wind blows it up, you don't want it to show any part, right? So here's the finished result, and this is how the client feels about it. Here we go. Thank you very much. Subscribe and share. God bless you. Have a radiant day. Bye bye.